can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. Bitcoin price rallied to $110,000 incoming after positive Coinbase premium trumps victory. A boost in Bitcoin's price, spot volume, and classic chart pattern hints that $110,000 could be the next top price for BTC. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF sees biggest volume day ever with $4.1 billion traded. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF saw its largest day of trading activities following Donald Trump's re-election as the president of the USA. Right now, there's growing in the cryptocurrency market. Right now, Bitcoin trades above $74,000, reaching a cycle high of $75,000. How high can Bitcoin go in the coming days and coming weeks? In this video, we'll take a look at the Bitcoin US dollar price chart on daily time frame. Are we getting ready for that epic blow off top that will see Bitcoin probably get to $100,000? Or is the top in and we're already getting ready for a dump back to Goblin Town? We'll talk about that and more in this video. Let's get down to business. First, news stories going around the Bitcoin ecosystem. Bitcoin gains 1,900% in Trump's first term. Will Bitcoin price hits $1 million this time? Bitcoin could top $1 million per coin during Trump's second presidency, according to historical price data. Guys, this is the kind of news stories you expect to see when the market's at an all-time high. This is the kind of news stories you expect to see when the market is hyper bullish. Right now, there's extreme greed in the cryptocurrency market. I've been tracking the fear and greed index over the last few weeks. Bitcoin greed, fear and greed index is at extreme greed right now. We are seeing positive news. That's what you expect when we are at the top. Don't be deceived, guys. We're not in the bull market. Don't be deceived. This is an exit rally. This is bears getting liquidated before we eventually start our dump to Goblin Town. We just have a few weeks of this rally before we eventually start that big dump to Goblin Town in 2025. All the illusions will be destroyed. Trump's winning is no good for your bags. BlackRock ETF sees biggest volume with $4.1 billion traded. BlackRock Bitcoin ETF saw its largest day of trading activities following Donald Trump's victory. BlackRock ETF's inflow has always signified whether we're near the top. We saw huge pumps in the price of Bitcoin over the last 24 hours. Bitcoin has basically gone from trading below $70,000. Bitcoin has rallied to as high as $76,000. On the 4th of November 2024, Bitcoin was trading at $66,000. We have seen Bitcoin rally up by 15%. In around 48 hours, Bitcoin has rallied to as high as 76,100. Guys, do you think we're going to see Bitcoin going up in the coming days and coming weeks? Because my own opinion about Bitcoin's price chart is that we're going to see a sharp reversal below the previous all-time high, which is around $73,700. That sharp reversal will catch people by surprise, and then we'll see Bitcoin consolidating for 1 week, 2 weeks. The altcoin market will go crazy, and we'll eventually start dumping to Goblin Town. You want to be buying when there's pessimism in the market, but when there's extreme greed like this, that's the best time to be selling. Bitcoin's market cap got to as high as $1.5 trillion. Bitcoin has gotten to new all-time highs. Bitcoin dominance got to a new cycle high of over 60.8%. But right now, it seems the dump has started for Bitcoin dominance. Right now, it seems the altcoin market is taking over because we're seeing Ethereum, the king of altcoins, cryptocurrency market, pulling up, outperforming Bitcoin. Historically, that has been a sign that we're getting to the end. Historically, that has been a sign that the altcoin market will start rallying, and that might be a bad sign for Bitcoin. But news stories around the cryptocurrency market is positive. Bitcoin cup and handle pattern is unfolding. We're seeing news articles explaining how Bitcoin is going to pump to the moon, how Donald Trump's presidency is good for Bitcoin. Guys, the bears are getting liquidated. A lot of people went short into the election. They're getting liquidated right now, and that's why we saw huge pumps to the moon. Yesterday, we saw 2 Bitcoin traders lose more than $75 million. The other trader lost more than $36 million, betting that the price of Bitcoin would dump to Goblin Town. They got liquidated as we started pumping to higher prices. They got liquidated around $75,000. I'll not be shocked to see Bitcoin have that one more sweep towards the $75,000 region. If you take a look at what Bitcoin market cap has done, it has rallied to new all-time highs. If you're a Bitcoin bull, congratulations. But guys, what it means that right now, everybody that has bought Bitcoin since when Bitcoin has been created is basically in profit. That's when you want to be selling. You want to sell when there's extreme optimism in the market, when there's talks of new all-time highs, there's talks of Bitcoin rallying to $100,000, and we're even seeing talks of Bitcoin probably getting to $1 million. That's how our traders, market participants are thinking Bitcoin will go in the coming days and coming weeks. I told you guys earlier this week, You're going to start seeing crazy predictions when Bitcoin starts pumping to higher values. We're started seeing those crazy predictions. We're started seeing comparison with 2016 when Donald Trump won and Bitcoin rallied to as high as $20,000. If we see similar price action, that should send Bitcoin going towards $1 million. But I don't think Bitcoin is heading towards $1 million. I believe Bitcoin is firmly heading to Goblin Town, and that Goblin Town dump will catch a lot of market participants by surprise. We'll see Bitcoin in the next 12 months trading closer to 10K than it is to $100,000. Another worrying sign that I've been noticing over the last few weeks, guys, is the price of gold. The price of gold has been dumping, and if you take a look at gold's valuation against Bitcoin, we have not set new all-time highs. So there's a lot of celebration that Bitcoin is in new all-time highs, basically against every currency. But guys, against the oldest currency known to man, Bitcoin is not an all-time high. Against gold, Bitcoin is just trading back where we were trading way back in July 2024. For Bitcoin to set new all-time highs against gold, we still need to see Bitcoin rally up, or we see gold dump. Anyone is possible for Bitcoin to set all-time highs against gold, but it's very disturbing that Bitcoin has not set new all-time high against gold. The rally margin take us to new all-time highs, and the rally in November has not taken us to new all-time highs. It looks as if Bitcoin is undergoing a complacency rally. It looks like a classic wave 2 before the eventual big dump to Goblin Town is coming. Bitcoin has set new all-time highs against other major currencies. Against the British pound, Bitcoin is in new all-time highs. Against the Japanese yen, Bitcoin is in new all-time highs. Against the Australian dollar, Bitcoin is in new all-time highs. Against the Canadian dollar, Bitcoin is in new all-time high. You get the gist? Bitcoin has gone to new all-time highs against all currencies that are printed by politicians, all currencies that are printed by man, the fiat currencies. But against gold, worrying signs for Bitcoin. Still not at new all-time highs, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Where do you see Bitcoin heading to in the coming days and coming weeks? Bitcoin dominance has started that decline down to Goblin Town, in my humble opinion. We're going to see the altcoin market take over in the next 2 days, in the next 3 days. Huge pump will come in the altcoin market. How high do you think Bitcoin will go before the dump to Goblin Town starts? Do you think $100,000 is possible? $80,000, my best case scenario for Bitcoin, will see it topping at $79,000, guys. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.